So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, there's going to be 2 things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have a restore point available on your computer, then you want to click on Next, and you want to go back to your restore point, and this should fix your problem. If you don't have a restore point available, then click on Cancel. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And now once you're on this, you want to enable Safe Mode, so you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4. It's now going to take us into Safe Mode. And now once you're on this, you want to go to Search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. You might be getting this problem because of something that you recently installed, such as a driver or an application. Let's say that you recently updated your graphics card driver and you're getting this problem. Then you want to expand Display Adapters and you want to find your graphics card. Right click on it and then click on Properties. And then go to the Driver tab. If it lets you, you want to select Rollback Device. After you roll back your device, just restart your computer, go back into Windows, and then hopefully the problem will be fixed. If you can't roll back your driver, then you want to uninstall your device. So you want to uninstall the driver that you recently installed. So if you recently installed a driver, then you want to either roll it back or you want to uninstall your device. Whether that be for your graphics card, network adapter, USB, any of that. After you do that, you want to restart your computer. Go back into Windows, and then it's going to automatically reinstall your device again, and then the problem should be fixed. Once you get back into Windows, it's going to automatically install a driver for that device that will work with Windows. If you think the problem is caused by a recently installed application, then you want to go to Search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, if you see any recently installed applications that you think may be causing a problem, then you want to click on the 3 dots and then click on Uninstall. And then you want to uninstall it. Next, just restart your computer, and then hopefully that will fix your problem. For the last method, you want to come back into this screen like I show you how to do at the start of the video. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. If it was able to repair your computer, it will then take you back into Windows, and then hopefully that will work for you.